Hi everyone, in this video let's discuss about the MCQs on vegetation of India. The first question is, according to Indian Forest Status Report released in February 2018, how much area of India is covered by forest? So the area covered by forest according to the Forest Status Report is 21.54. Hence, the answer is none of the above. So the area covered by forest and tree, that is 24.39 percentage. So but they have asked the area covered by forest. Hence none of the above is the right option. Second one, which one of the following is wrongly paired? Chhattisgarh sal, Maharashtra mango, Tamil Nadu sandal, Bihar people. So here the wrongly matched one is C, Tamil Nadu sandal. So it is not sandal, it is palm tree, Asian Palmyra palm tree. So in the third one, consider the following sanctuaries in India: Periyar, Dachingam, Sarishka, Kanka. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the location of the above sanctuaries from south to north? So Periyar, it is in Kerala, and Dachingam, it is in Jammu Kashmir, Sarishka, it is in Rajasthan, and Kanka, it is in Madhya Pradesh. So they have asked from south to north. So Kerala, and then Kanka, which is in Madhya Pradesh, and then Sarishka, which is in Rajasthan, and then Dachingam. So hence the right option is 1, 4, 3, 2. Option C is the right answer. Fourth one, which one of the following states has the highest percentage of area under forest? So here they have given Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, and then none of the above. So here Arunachal Pradesh is the right answer. So comparing to all these, Arunachal Pradesh has the highest amount of area. Fifth one, match list 1 with list 2. Chandraprabha, Uttarakhand, Silent Valley, Chhattisgarh, Valley of Flowers, Uttar Pradesh, Indravati, Kerala. So here Chandraprabha, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Silent Valley, it is in Kerala. Valley of Flowers, it is in Uttarakhand. And Indravati, it is in Chhattisgarh. So hence, the right answer is 3412. Option B is the right one. Sixth one, Chola grasslands are found in. So it is found in Western Ghats. Seventh one, consider the following states: Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Odisha, with reference to the states mentioned above in terms of percentage of forest cover to the total area of state. Which one of the following is the correct ascending order? So Chhattisgarh, it is about 44.21 percentage, and Madhya Pradesh, it is 25.14 percentage, and then Maharashtra, it is 16.50 percentage, and then Odisha, it is 39.31 percentage. So here they have asked correct ascending order. So ascending order means lowest to highest. So the first one is Maharashtra, and the second one is Madhya Pradesh, and the third one is Odisha, and the fourth one is Chhattisgarh. So hence the right option is 3241. Option C is the right answer. Eighth one, match list 1 with list 2. Nilgiris, Odisha, Manas, Madhya Pradesh, Pachamari, Tamil Nadu, Simlipal, Assam. So here Nilgiris, it is in Tamil Nadu, Manas, it is in Assam, Pachamari, it is in Madhya Pradesh, Simlipal, it is in Odisha. Hence the right option is 3421. Option C is the right answer. Ninth one, which region has the practice of shifting cultivation in India? So it is practiced in northeastern region of India. Hence, option C is the right answer. 10th one, which set of the following biosphere reserves in India included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserve? So that is Gulf of Mannar, Norek, Pachamari and Simlipal. So which is in option A? So option A is the right answer. 11th one, consider the following pairs: Dampa Tiger Reserve, Mizoram; Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Sikkim; Saramati Peak, Nagaland. Which of the above pairs is correctly matched? So Dampa Tiger Reserve, it is in Mizoram, hence it is correctly matched. And second one, Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, so it is in Tripura, so hence it is wrongly matched. And third one, Saramati Peak, it is in Nagaland, hence first and third one are correctly matched, hence option C is the right answer. 12th one, which one of the following regions of India has a combination of mangrove forest, evergreen forest and deciduous forest? So that is option D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And then 13th one, in which city is the Forest Research Institute of India is located? So it is located in Dehradun. 14th one, which of the following region is covered by tropical evergreen forest? So the tropical evergreen forest, so it is in Western Ghats. Option D is the right answer. 15th one, which one among the following is the correct order of the tiger reserve situated from north to south in India? So Corbett, it is in Uttarakhand, and Simplipal, it is in Odisha, and then Sariska, it is in Rajasthan, and then Periyar, it is in Kerala. So here they have asked which is situated in the correct order from north to south. So from north to south, so Uttarakhand is first, so Corbett, and the second one is, so Kerala is in south, so it will come in the last. So Odisha and Rajasthan. So the second one is Odisha and the third one is Rajasthan. So Corbett, and then Sariska, and then Simlipal, and then Periyar. So hence option C is the right one. Hence option C is the right answer. So which is Uttarakhand, Sariska, it is in Rajasthan, Simplipal, it is in Odisha, and then Periyar, it is in Kerala. 16th one, match list 1 with list 2. Ebony, moist, deciduous; Sisam, Himalayan moist; walnut, alpine; birch, tropical evergreen. So here ebony, it is in tropical evergreen forest. So and then Sisam, so it is in moist deciduous forest, and walnut, it is in Himalayan moist, and then birch, it is in alpine. So hence option A, 4123, it is the right answer. 17th one, wetlands and confluence of rivers. Harika wetlands, so it is, so they have asked which of the above pair is correctly matched. So Harika wetland, it is on the confluence of Beas Satluj in Punjab, hence option 1 is right. And then Kyolida Ghana National Park, so it is on the confluence of Gambhir and Banganga river, so they have given confluence of Banas and Chambal, hence this is wrong. And the third one, Kolliru Lake, so it is at the confluence of Godavari and Krishna river, but they have said Musi and Krishna, hence this is also wrong. So hence the correct answer is option A. Then 17th one, match list with list 2. So Bandipur National Park, Rajasthan; Buxar Tiger Reserve, Madhya Pradesh; Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, West Bengal; Penk National Park, Karnataka. So here Bandipur National Park, so it is in Karnataka, and then Buxar Tiger Reserve, it is in West Bengal. And Mount Abu Wildlife Sanctuary, it is in Rajasthan. Pench National Park, it is in Madhya Pradesh. So hence 4312, hence option A is the right answer. And the 19th one, consider the following pairs. So they have asked which of the following pair is correctly matched. Bandhavgarh National Park, Western India. Bandipur National Park, Southern India. Manas National Park, Northeastern India. So Bandhavgarh National Park, so it is in Madhya Pradesh. And then Bandipur National Park, it is in Karnataka. And then Manas National Park, it is in Assam. So here, so Madhya Pradesh, it's not in Western India. And then Karnataka, Bandipur National Park, it is in Karnataka, which is south of India. Hence it is correct. And Manas National Park, it is in Assam. So which is northeast of India. Hence it is also correct. So hence option 2 and 3 is the right answer. 20th one, the Manas National Park is situated in the state of, so it is situated in the state of Assam. And then 21, Indian wild asses are found in, so it is found in Rann of Kutch. 22nd, which one among the following is not a biosphere reserve? So that is Kaziranga National Park, that is in Assam. Hence option D is the right answer. And then 23rd, which one of the following wood is used in making cricket bats? So that is Salix burpurea. So which is one of the type of willow wood. And then 24th, the Mahatma Gandhi National Marine Park is located in. So it is located in Port Blair. 25th, Kanchenjunga National Park is located at. So it is located at Sikkim. 26th, the most important strategy for the conservation of biodiversity together with traditional human life is the establishment of. So that is, it is the establishment of biosphere reserves. And 27th, which of the following national park is unique in being a swamp with a floating vegetation that supports rich biodiversity? So that is Keibul Lamjau National Park, which is in Manipur. Hence option B is the right answer. 28th, match list 1 with list 2. So Tropica Evergreen Shivalix, Monsoon Shillong, Temperate West Bengal, Mangrove Nilgiris. So Tropical Evergreen, so it is in Shillong. And Monsoon, it is in Nilgiris. Temperate, it is in Shivalix. And Mangrove, it is in West Bengal. So hence the correct code is 2413, that is option A. Hence option A is the right one. And then 29th, which one of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? So that is dolphin. So option C is the right one. 30th one, match list 1 with list 2. Manas Meghalaya, Nagrak Assam, Gulf of Mannar Uttaranchal, Nanda Devi Tamil Nadu. So here Manas, it is in Assam. Nagrak, it is in Meghalaya. Gulf of Mannar, it is in Tamil Nadu. Nanda Devi, it is in Uttaranchal. So hence 2143, that is the correct code. So hence option C is the right one. 31st, which one of the following state in India has the largest area under forest cover? So here they have given Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. So Maharashtra, it has about 50,000. It has about 50,000 and 632 square kilometer. And then Chhattisgarh, it has about 55,621 square kilometer, and then Madhya Pradesh, it has about 77,522 square kilometer, and then Andhra Pradesh, it has about 46,116 square kilometer. Hence, they have asked which one of the following state in India has the largest area under forest cover. So, hence the largest area is in Madhya Pradesh. Hence, option C is the right one. The next one is, consider the following statement. The boundaries of a national park are defined by legislation. A biosphere reserve is declared to conserve a few specific species of flora and fauna. In a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. So here the first one is correct because the boundaries of a national park is defined by the state legislation. And the second one is the biosphere reserve is declared to conserve a few specific species. So here it is not to conserve a few specific species. So it is to conserve an economy. To conserve an ecosystem. And third one, in a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. So this one is correct. Hence, option 1 and statement 1 and 3 is correct. So which is in option C. Hence, option C is the right one. 33rd, which one of the following statements concerning the natural vegetation of India is not correct? So they have given 4 statements. Sal is found in mostly deciduous forest. And then Casuarina is largely found along the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu. And then deodar is a coniferous species of trees. Solar forests are mainly found on the upper reaches of Himalaya. So here sal is found in moist deciduous forest. So this is correct. And then option second is also correct. So in coastal region, Casuarina is found. And then deodar is a coniferous species of tree. It is also correct. And then solar forests are mainly found on the upper reaches of Himalaya. So it is not found in Himalayas. It is on Western Ghats. So these are particularly in the places of Nilgiris, Annamalai and Animalai and Palani hills. So this one is the wrong statement. They have asked which one of the following is not correct. Hence option D is the right answer. 34th, correct the following states of India in terms of percentage of forest area in relation to the total area of the state. So Karnataka, it has about 19.58%, and Kerala, it has 52.30%, and Odisha, it has about 39.31%, and Andhra Pradesh, it has about 22.86%. So here they have asked correct descending order. So descending order means largest to smallest. So here the first one is Kerala 3, and the next one is Odisha 2, and the next one is Andhra Pradesh, and the next one is Karnataka. So the option is 3, 2, 4, 1. So it is not given in the option. And 35th, according to the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which of the following animals cannot be hunted by any person except under some provisions provided by law? So that is Gharial, Indian wild ass, wild buffalo. So these 3 animals, so both are correct. Hence option D is the right one. 39, plants with breathing roots are abundantly found in. So these are abundantly found in mangrove areas. And then 37, which of the following national parks of India are declared as World Heritage of UNESCO by UNESCO? So India has about 37 World Heritage sites. So which is 29 are cultural and 7 are natural and 1 is mixed. So here Kalida National Park. So it is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO in the year 1985. And Manas National Park, it is also which is in Assam. It is also declared as World Heritage by UNESCO in the year 1985. And then Sundarbans National Park, so it is declared as World Heritage by UNESCO in 1987. Kaziranga National Park, it is also declared as World Heritage Site in 1985. So whereas Radhampur National Park, so it is not declared as a World Heritage of UNESCO. So and the remaining other are Great Himalayan National Park, so which is declared as World Heritage in 2014, and Nanda Devi, it is declared as World Heritage in 1988, and Valley of Flowers, it is also declined as World Heritage in the year 2005. So here they have asked, select the correct answer using the codes given below. So these three were declared as World Heritage by UNESCO. Hence the option is B, 1, 2 and 3. 38th, consider the following states: Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Mizoram. In which of the above states do tropical wet green forests occur? So the tropical wet evergreen forest occur in Arunachal Pradesh and in Mizoram. So it is not in Himachal Pradesh region. Hence the right answer is option C, 1 and 3. And then 39th, among the following districts, which one has a larger area under dense deciduous forest cover? So that is Pasam Champaran. So which has large area under dense deciduous forest. And then 40th one, in India the state with the largest area with dense deciduous forest cover is, so that is Madhya Pradesh. And the 41, which one of the following wildlife sanctuaries situated in Mangar district of Bihar? So that is Bimband. Option C is the right one. 42nd, with reference to the wildlife of India, what is dugong? So dugong, it is a marine mammal, hence option B is the right one. 43rd, Sundarbans are found in which of the following states of India? That is in West Bengal. Option D is the right option. And 44th, consider the following statements about National Wildlife Action Plan of India for 2017 to 2031. So first one, this is the third National Wildlife Action Plan. Second one, the NWAP is unique, and this is the first time India has recognized the concerns relating to the climate change impact on wildlife. Third statement, the NWAP has 10 components. So here option 1 is correct. And the next one, this is the first time India is recognizing the problems, concerns relating to the climate change impact on wildlife. So this is also correct. And the third one, NWAP has 10 components. So it doesn't have 10 components, it has 5 components. It has 5 components, 17 themes, 103 conservation, 205 projects. So hence option 1 and 2 is correct. Hence option B is the right answer. 45, state with a high percentage of forest is. So the high percentage of forest, it is in Mizoram. And then 46th, which one of the following area of India is covered by tropical evergreen forest? So it is in Western Ghats. And 47, in which of the following states Sundarban mangroves located? So it is in West Bengal. 48, thorn forests are found in. So these are found in Rajasthan. 49, Kaziranga National Park is famous for. So it is famous for rhinoceros. So and it is declared as World Heritage Site in 1985, and it is declared as National Park in the year 1974. Fifteenth one, match list 1 with list 2. Western Ghats tropical moist deciduous, Himachal Pradesh tropical evergreen, Haryana and Punjab Himalayan moist forest, Chota Nagpur plateau tropical thorny forest. So Western Ghats, it is for tropical evergreen forest. So the evergreen forests are widely found in Western Ghats. And then Himachal Pradesh, so it is for Himalayan moist forest. And then Haryana and Punjab, it is for tropical thorny forest. So the Haryana, Punjab, northern Gujarat and Rajasthan, so these are for thorny forest. And then Chota Nagpur plateau, so it is for tropical moist deciduous forest. So hence the correct code is 2341. Hence option A is the right answer. So Western Ghats, it is tropical evergreen. Himachal Pradesh, it is Himalayan moist forest. Haryana and Punjab, it is tropical thorny forest. And Chota Nagpur plateau, it is tropical moist deciduous forest. And 51st, match list 1 with list 2. National Park, Dudhwa Sanctuary, Bhitarkanika, Biosphere Reserve, Chilka, Tiger Reserve, Nokrek. So here National Park, it is Bhitarkanika, and then Sanctuary, it is Chilka, and Biosphere Reserve, it is Nokrek, and Tiger Reserve, it is Dudhwa. So hence the right option is option A. That is 2341. And 52nd, two important rivers, one with its source in Jharkhand and known by a different name in Odisha, and another with its source in Odisha, merge at a place only a short distance from the coast of Bay of Bengal before flowing into the sea. This is an important site of wildlife and biodiversity and a protected area. Which one of the following could be this? So the right answer is Bhitarkanika. And 53rd, Mudumalai Sanctuary is famous for, so it is famous for tigers. And 54, Project Tiger was launched in, so it is launched in 1973 in Jim Corbett National Park under the leadership of Indira Gandhi. And 55, as per the Indian State of Forest Report 2017, which of the following state has the maximum percentage of forest cover in relation to its area? So that is Mizoram. So the state which has a maximum percentage of forest cover in relation to its area is Mizoram. So overall the state which has largest area of forest cover is Madhya Pradesh, which is about 77,522 kilometers square. And then 56th, home to the snow leopard, the Hemis National Park is located in. So it is located in Ladakh. And 57, in terms of area, which state has the largest forest cover in India? So that is Madhya Pradesh. And 58th, according to Indian State of Forest Report 2019, how much of the total geographical area of the country is covered by forest and trees? So that is 24.56. Option C is the right option. So according to 2018 report, it is about 24.39%, and according to 2009 report, it is about 24.56%. So there is an increase of about 5188 square kilometer of forest area. The increase is 5188 square kilometer. And the next one is 59th. Which of the following states topped among all the states with the highest number of fire alerts according to 2019 report by the Forest Survey of India? So the state which has high number of fire alert is Mizoram. So the first one is Mizoram, and the second state is Madhya Pradesh, and the third one is Odisha, and the fourth one is Arunachal Pradesh. So Mizoram, it has a alert of about 2795, and Madhya Pradesh it has about 2793, and then Odisha it has about 2123, and then Arunachal Pradesh it has about 926. Hence the right option is option B, Mizoram. 60th one, Sundari, a well-known species of tree, is found in. So it is found in mangrove forest. That's why it is called as Sundarbans. So these are all the questions regarding the vegetation of India. I hope this video is useful for your preparation. Thank you for watching.